everybody, hello everybody, it's me again, Kyla. So I'm showing my ruler collection. I have only DVD, but that's okay. First, I have some Tweety Bird ruler. So it has a drawing. Some more rulers over here. So it's gonna remove. First, I have some Winnie the Pooh. So it's the price of the Pinoy Henyo or something. Yeah, Pinoy Henyo game, the Christmas party. So second, I have some more Winnie the Pooh ruler, but it's violet. So and I have some Ben 10. So I have only a few, but I'm sure we'll bought some more days for buying, but it's alright for me. So yeah, so click click there to see my eraser, and then this is see my sticker collection. Bye.